So that's how high up the antenna is. It's a stacked 5/8 wave collinear 2-meter only antenna. If you look, you can see it's higher than everything else. It's higher than my loop. It's higher than the vertical. It's higher than the Antron 99, or excuse me, IMAX. So I put it up there, and then got somebody about 80 miles away, right away, on simplex. I do have, this is the beam I took down. He was using it to get into a pretty far away repeater on GMRS. Before I knew it was a bunch of CB radio crap on there. So I also have the M² 4-element beam. It works really good, but it's getting kind of bent from like the mounting hardware with it. It's like, I think something's missing. So I've got a rotator, but I just don't have anywhere to put anything. Basically, if I had a tower, I would probably put that on top of a damn tower, and then like something else up there. You know, I've got a beam on the roof. It's from a Shooting Star Mako, and I made it into a 4-element 10-meter beam. So, or not 4, 3. I could go 4 if I really wanted to, but I'm not gonna do all that. I moved a bunch of stuff around, got rid of my big welder, and I just have the little one over here, and moved a bunch of this battery stuff around, moved a bunch of the solar stuff around. I gotta reorganize some stuff and then get my lithium battery going. Got all this other junk. So I need to dig into this Kenwood radio over here. This Kenwood works, but it's got really low audio. It receives, it transmits. I don't know what microphone it uses. 4-pin, which normally on like the 820s and 520s, you just rotate it that way and force it in. It doesn't work on that. It keys up between like that terminal and that one, or that and the ground. So I'll have to look up this one and pull it up, but I need to fix the receive first before I worry about a microphone. So this one seems to be doing really good after I found that bad wire going into the PA deck. And I adjusted the tones so I can get into one of the repeaters that we use around here. But I'm not into repeaters. I don't like repeaters. I like to talk simplex. So that's why I put my antenna up higher, because I was having trouble talking to my friend. So immediately I put it up. I think it's pretty close to like 30 feet, maybe. I don't know. 25 feet, 20 feet, something like that. But it works good. I've had it up that high before and was running this on sideband, and I talked from here, Prescott, all the way to Tucson and Mesa on sideband. So same antenna too, same height. Well, anyway, now that I know it gets out good, that's cool. I'll have to see how it sounds when David gets on the radio.